small idea.
Yes.
Just struggled into something.
And what gave you the idea?
I guess I struggled myself as a teenager, and media abroad is my therapy. It's the best support I've had. It's just really, I guess our co-founder Chris, we accepted it much.
But well done, honestly. All the way up, from kids all the way to Hi, I'm Lizzie, so I'm the virtual senior. Help the group to have that safety so they feel psychologically safe together. Do you feel that nature and being outside is hugely so? Our spirits lift, and inevitably people said to feel lighter when they've headed out. The burden's gone from them. Not completely gone, but just lifted or eased. Just being in the elements was designed to press them to help people to connect with that. And they'll find ways to do it when they're back in their home environment as well. So just to enable them.
Minute drive on here, so I'm ready to go.
Can I need a link to that? It's brilliant.
Yeah, I think.
Ian, are you going to introduce the name to the people over here? Some of that's on the wall.
How many people have been standing
It doesn't matter. We'll wait on it.
You can just go back to the gate so you've got a lot.
There's a little viewpoint just here.
Alright, isn't it, with a view?
We'll wait.
Come on, folks, let's just gather together here a little bit.
Yeah, quite fair.
Shall I just say a quick, give us some comments. Yeah, I know. So I'll just say a quick welcome to Baslow Edge, which is one of the great Gritstone edges of the Peach District that we're walking along today. This is the view of Derwent Valley. We can now see it, so that's good. And then later on in the walk, look out for Chatsworth House, Chatsworth Grounds as well, because we should be able to see them as we walk. So yeah, it's a great walking and climbing area. Not that you'll see many people doing that today, but we'll just take the time today, as Di will show, to sort of be out in nature. So when we set off on a walk, one of the things that helps people to connect together is just to do a little bit of mindfulness. Sometimes people, I think mindfulness is a bit woo, I'm not sure if it's for them, but essentially it's really about just letting nature do its thing and helping people notice how that affects them, helping people to connect with themselves, helping people to connect with each other. So while we're standing here, obviously with an audience, it's going to be slightly strange, but let's just, as I'm talking, just become a little bit aware of how we're feeling, where we're cold, where our feet are connecting with the ground, we're in the mud, and yeah, just become aware of ourselves. And as we wander off now, who else uses these routes and things like that? Is it something you find?
Brilliant. Thanks a lot. Brilliant. Thank you.
Perfect.
That's it.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Okay, and then Rota will just move straight to departure. Thank you.
We can sort that. Yeah.
Was it when we was having that group photo? And nobody saw it. It would have been a good photo of us all laughing and smiling though, wouldn't it?
Yes, the next time. And hopefully it's something better. Yeah. It's so nice to be able to get out. Like, no matter how long. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Lovely meeting you. Very nice to meet you. Really glad we thrilled. He's just saying, Suzanne? Very nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me all this. It's really lovely to put it. It's very
Thank you. Thank you for embracing the weather.
It's great. It's awesome for the world. Thank you for having me. Have a nice time.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye.